example, x to dx. From the expression we can understand we should use trigonometry, substitution. We can choose x sinus u, 1 on x2 cosinus 2u dx cosinus u du. So we have a new expression for I, x2 sinus 2u multiply to dx cosinus u du on radical cosinus 2u cosinus u note, note sinus 2u equals to, or better understanding, cosinus 2u sinus square u, 2 sinus square u. Sinus square u cosinus 2u replacing to the integration. Let's see, u is equals to sinus x sinus u to sinus inverse x plus c.